Good morning, this is.
I'm going to pick a flower for that.
Bas, only one flower, not more, okay?
Okay.
Let's go, Pori. You not finished yet your breakfast. Fatafat, let's go. Only one flag, not more. And bird to should not flag.
What?
Let it keep, let for bloom this one. It will bloom tomorrow. Let for tomorrow. Why not let? No, don't black. She looking so nicey. No, Mama, I'll not give you permission to pluck this one, please. Sorry. She looking so nice, na? No.
Please.
Let's go. Turn this type. Come here. Good morning. But you go this side. Why not listen my words? See, come this side. Don't step this water. You will go this side. See, take time this side. You will not go this side. You will go from listen my word first. No, you come this side. Come. Listen my word. Come this side. Come with me. Here. Oh, look at me first. Come this side. Yes, you don't step this water. Come here. I just follow me. Just follow me. Come here. Follow me. Don't step this water. Come. Now you pluck. Come on. Don't step this one also. You come this side. Yes. Now you pluck. Go. This you can pluck. Flower. Why? Which is this one? There is no. This is bud only, Mama. Don't pluck this one. You go for it. Go for it. Tomorrow this will bloom. You just pluck this one. This is white one. What one? It is a white color flowers. You put this one. Fatapat. One more. Don't step. Don't go this side. Again, follow me. Come this side. Come. Brinjal, why are you plugging? Don't. What will do with this brinjal?
I want to cook it.
Don't cook it. Not cook it. Let's go. Come, follow me. Just don't step this. Come is this side. Just follow me. Come here. Says our morning walk is finished. Now we'll go home. Let's go.
Follow me.
Acha, follow you. Just go. Every step I follow. Go.